In this video, we show how to install bifold barn doors. For installation, you'll need a drill driver, a drill, and a laser level. We begin with unboxing. Carefully remove the packaging and protective materials and confirm all parts are included. Roller layout. Using the instructions, mark the required measurements on the door panel for the roller locations. Drill the mounting holes. Start with a small pilot hole using a smaller drill bit. Enlarge it with a larger bit. Do not drill all the way through. Flip the door panel over. On the opposite side, you'll see the small pilot hole from the initial drilling. Enlarge that hole with the larger bit, drilling all the way through. Install the rollers. Insert the bolt from the door panel side and push it through until it comes out on the roller side. Place the roller on the door panel and align the holes. On the roller side, thread the separate threaded piece onto the bolt to complete the assembly, then secure everything with the nut. Hold the roller steady so it doesn't shift, and tighten the nut with a wrench until it seats firmly. Repeat the same steps for the second roller. The panels are already laid out, now align them flush. Mark the locations for the joining hinges using the dimensions in the instructions. Position each hinge on the marks and drill small pilot holes first. Then fasten the hinges with screws, tightening them evenly in a crisscross pattern as shown in the video. Next, drill the hole for the guide pin. Using the dimensions from the instructions, measure from the edge and mark the spot. Start with a small pilot hole, then enlarge it to the required size with a larger bit so the hole is clean and centered. Insert the bushing into the hole. The sleeve is where the guide pin will seat. Install the top track. This is the most critical step, and all dimensions come straight from the instruction sheet. Mark the mounting height on the wall. Use the laser to establish that height, then make a clear horizontal reference mark. This is the guide you'll follow when placing the track. Mark the center of the opening on the wall and mark the center of the track. Lift the track into position, match the center marks, and align the track to the horizontal reference mark you made earlier. Remove the track, prep the mounting points for the hardware, then reinstall the track and secure it in all 4 spots. Tighten the fasteners evenly so the track stays centered and doesn't shift off your reference mark. Next, we install the guide pin, the same one we drilled the hole for in the door panel. First, use the laser to transfer the center mark from the track down onto the floor. From that floor mark, shift to the left toward the stationary panel. That's the exact spot where the guide pin mounts. Confirm the position, place the pin, and mark the fastener points. All measurements are provided in the installation manual. Secure the pin to the floor, tighten it down firmly, and double-check that it stays aligned with the reference line after tightening. Final step, hang the door on the track and seat it onto the guide pin. Lower the panel so the bottom hole drops cleanly over the guide pin. Slide the door back and forth to confirm a smooth, even glide. Secure the left roller/hanger assembly exactly as shown in the video so the door is retained on the track. Installation is complete. The door is installed and ready to use.